Hey, Emery. Good morning. Good morning. What are we gonna do today, buddy?
We've got turtles, stingrays, sharks.
Sharks.
Yeah, baby sharks.
Baby sharks.
Yeah, Mommy said that.
Really?
There is.
That's awesome. That's so awesome.
Big fishes.
Wow.
And also some big ninja turtles.
Oh, you think they're gonna have Ninja Turtles there?
Yeah.
You're gonna have Leonardo in a tank?
Yeah, and Raphael, they take.
Oh, Raffy?
Raphael.
Oh, Raphael. Sorry.
Yeah, they're in there.
You think so?
Get there.
That's awesome, dude. And then what are we gonna do after that?
Go home?
Yep, we're gonna go home.
I don't want to go. I don't want to go home.
You don't want to go home?
No,
Why not?
because it makes me sad.
Makes you sad? Alright, hop up, dude. It's time to get ready.
You wanna get dressed, Bubby? And then we'll go get breakfast? Does that sound good? And then he's got done brushing his teeth. Now he's washing his hands.
You getting ready, buddy?
Got toothpaste everywhere. Okay, we just picked up McDonald's for breakfast.
McGriddles.
McGriddles. I got a bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit. Emery and Kylie got strawberry cream pies. Those are the bomb. But yeah, so we are about to go into the aquarium.
This is the
I'm
aquarium
super
adventure video.
Excited.
What's up, y'all? You ready to see some dope fish?
Baby sharks don't bite you. They're nice to you.
Yeah, they don't bite you. We're gonna get in. We're gonna swim with them. We're gonna ride some adult sharks. It's gonna be super fun.
Those big sharks do bite you, and then those baby sharks don't bite you. But they'll be like their mouth will be
We're super
tied up,
excited.
but they can't bite them.
Lloyd's done great. The only thing is we're just not really sure how he'll do here. He's done great this whole trip, but you know, like I could see where he could be spooked whenever a big fish swims by.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be a lot of fun, but it'll be a little interesting with Lloyd because there's gonna be a lot of different kind of stimulus and other animals and stuff. But I don't know. I would imagine the fish in the tanks he probably just won't even think anything of. But we'll have to see. It could end up being a catastrophe.
Lloyd just alerted, didn't he?
Good boy. Gentle. Gentle.
Whoa, they're pulling their tails. Whoa! I think they're going to attack those ninja turtles. Look at that!
What is that?
Oh, thank you.
Look at that, Dad! Look at
I
that!
don't know what it is. You could go ask that lady.
It's a little one.
That one is there. Another one.
Pet it, Emery.
Oh, I'll touch that one.
Hannah done touched it. You're gonna fall in on top.
I think I am.
Touch on, Emery. Sit. Stay.
Did you touch it?
Yeah. So me and Loyd are waiting out here while they go in and see the butterfly exhibit, because I thought the butterflies might be a little distracting to Loyd. He probably wouldn't even notice them, but you know, I just didn't want him nipping at butterflies or anything weird like that. So Loyd did really good in there. They had some lemurs, and then after the lemurs was a bunch of stingrays there. And we got some, I think Emily got a lot of good video of that. I was holding Loyd, so she got some video of them kids petting the stingrays, because you can actually reach down in there and pet them, or manta rays, whatever they are. And they had different fish and stuff in there you can pet. So it was really cool. Loyd could see them through the glass, and he was kind of like curious because he saw that, you know, the little creatures moving and swimming through the water, and so he was kind of like, you know, perking up and looking. But he did really good. I'm really proud of him. He did good. I kind of kept him back from the water. He loves water, so I would have not been surprised if he would just jump right in.
Good boy. Yep. Good boy. Yep, he's just watching the people. And he's staying right here with me. That's a good boy, Loyd. That's a good boy. Yeah, he, when he saw the lemurs that were in the cages, he was kind of wanting to get up and play with them, but his tail was wagging. He didn't really jump. He just kind of like went forward, and I made him lay down on the ground. And when he laid down, he was kind of trying to scoot across the floor and kind of sneak over to the lemurs. That's his little trick. So Kylie's blood sugar is getting kind of high. She had breakfast and she is excited seeing all these awesome fish. So we're stopping to check.
I got a picture of the fish.
Yep.
Of the shark.
Oh yeah, there's a shark. I'll see if maybe we see it here in a minute. I'll get a video of it. But Mommy's checking her blood sugar.
I can't find my alcohol.
Maybe that's a different. Where's the turtles? I know there's like a huge turtle. There's bigger sharks that you can see. Shark,
Let's
Dad,
see what you are.
shark.
Oh, there's the shark.
222.
Ooh, okay, so she is high, so we need to give her some extra insulin. Here comes the shark. Oh, I just turned away. Oh wait, he's fixing to come through. Oh wait, there it is. There's one. There we go.
It makes
Think
me
about that,
dizzy
Loyd.
looking at this.
Think about that. Loyd looking at a shark. Okay.
Do you think they like the deeper water better?
I see another shark. It's
What they do?
Hey, shark! 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 Can you hear me? Shark! Shark! Whoa, this
and tigers here. So how do you feel about being able to be so close to these guys?
Oh, I feel great about it. I see some sharks, and so they're not aggressive towards the divers or anything like
I
that.
hope you won't die
And
from this.
if anything was to happen, I've got my safety diver in here, Fernando, so he will take that bump stick and pull me away from the shark. Seals is seals. And what seals do, they get out, they play around on top of the water, just like we do. So a shark might think, that might be a meal for me. So he goes up, and a shark doesn't have hands or anything like that. They can't tell what it is.
Our guy Stewie, because he's the one that most people tend to see.
It's a hillbilly fish. Got some Chattanooga.
I'm gonna get back in. I just.
He's like, what is this? Oh gosh, don't get your head stuck, Loyd. Good job. Good boy. Good boy.
You did better that time.
I think Delmar's very interested in making sure he got, which is understandable. He goes, he's thinking about it. So they're really exploring here. They're using their sense of smell, their natural curiosity to look around and find that food.
Lizards, Papa. Right, okay. I definitely didn't think you'd be leaving. I'm not interested in that lizard. It's adorable. So cute, isn't he?
They have no teeth, so they can't bite you. The water's about 45 degrees.
Henry, do you want to pet it?
They're hard. Yeah.
Awesome.
It's very hard.
Very
Very hard.
That's good. Gentle.
The water's about 45 degrees.
You drop it in there.
These are actually called the dinosaur fish because they were around at that time.
Wow. They're racing, Henry. Good old him.
When you get up to 14 feet long, you're going to be about 100 years old.
Wow.
Acids don't have holes in them.
All right, Loyd. You want to attack this? Let's do it.
I'm gonna do it. Then I'm doing it. Can you take it?
Hand sanitizer when you guys are all finished.
Okay, now.
It's a fire-belly toad. Very good.
Thank you, Loyd.
Feel nice? Yeah, it does, right?
I don't know. What is that?
It's like this jack.
Okay, so now I guess we're on our way home. We're done with the aquarium. Look at Loyd.
Yeah, guys.
Loyd is so wore out. What's wrong, Bubba?
I just went to Chattanooga.
Aw, have you had so much fun?
Yeah.
I've had fun too.
I don't know where Chattanooga.
Oh, we
Where-
can come back soon.
This is where I'm gonna live on Lookout Mountain and, when I grow up.
Yeah, I wish I lived